Like always, Makita is coming with some cool and handy tools from the beginning of the year, so we thought of making a list where you'll get to know about all the new Makita tools. Now, let's check them out. First off, let's kick things off with the Makita 40-volt Max XGT Brushless Telescoping Polisher Scrubber. This tool, its telescoping shaft stretches from 47 1/4 inches to 55 1/8 inches, so you can reach high spots or tight corners without straining. The Makita-built brushless motor cranks out 0 to 2,200 revolutions per minute, and you can tweak the speed with a variable control to nail everything from car detailing to industrial cleaning. It's got this slick constant speed tech that keeps it humming even when you're pushing hard. And extreme protection technology means it laughs off dust and water on rugged job sites. The kit comes with a 4.0 amp-hour battery, a rapid charger, a 7-inch backing pad, and a wool bonnet, so you're ready to roll right away. At 9.5 pounds without the battery, it's easy to handle for long sessions. Next up, say hello to the Makita 18-volt LXT cordless 3 1/2 inch cutoff tool. This little beast is a dream for anyone slicing through metal, tile, or concrete in tight spaces. It's a tool-only model, so it's perfect if you're already rocking Makita's 18-volt LXT batteries. The brushless motor screams up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, giving you clean, fast cuts. Weighing just 4.2 pounds without a battery, it's super nimble, letting you zip around pipes or trim tiles with ease. The electric brake stops the wheel in seconds for safety, and active feedback sensing technology kicks in to shut down the motor if the wheel jams, saving your tool and your fingers. Plus, the tool-less wheel guard adjusts in a snap, so you can switch angles without fuss. It's a go-to for plumbers or electricians needing precision on the fly. Now, let's talk big, really big, with the Makita 40-volt Max XGT Brushless 16 and 5/16 inch circular saw kit. This monster is the world's largest cordless circular saw, and it's got the muscle of a corded saw without the hassle. Spinning at 3,600 revolutions per minute, it slices through 6x12 lumber like butter with a massive 6 1/4 inch cutting depth at 90 degrees. At 24.3 pounds with its 5.0 amp-hour battery, it's still 4.1 pounds lighter than corded rivals, making it easier to lug around. The die-cast aluminum base is tough as nails, and it's got an electric brake and blade stabilizer for smooth, safe cuts. The auto-start wireless system syncs with dust extractors to keep your site clean, and it can churn through 75 cuts in 6x12 lumber on a single charge. This is the saw for framers and builders who don't mess around. For the carpenters out there, the Makita 18-volt LXT cordless 21-degree full-round head framing nailer is your new best friend. This tool-only nailer is all about slamming 2-inch to 3 1/2 inch nails into framing or sheathing with pinpoint accuracy. Its brushless motor pumps out up to 1,000 shots per charge with a 5.0 amp-hour battery, so you're not stuck swapping batteries mid-job. At 9.8 pounds, it's light enough to swing all day, and the 30-degree magazine angle lets you squeeze into tight spots. You can tweak the depth for perfect nail placement, and the dry fire lockout stops you from firing blanks, saving your materials. The anti-vibration design and ergonomic grip keep your hands happy, making this a no-brainer for ditching clunky pneumatic nailers. Landscapers, you're gonna love the Makita 40-volt Max XGT 4-gallon backpack mist blower. This cordless sprayer is a beast for big jobs like pest control or fertilizing, matching gas blowers without the fumes. Its 4-gallon tank and 426 cubic feet per minute air velocity cover serious ground. The brushless motor offers a variable speed trigger from 0 to 1,200 revolutions per minute, plus 3 speed settings for fine-tuned control. With a 4.0 amp-hour battery, you get up to 180 minutes on low, plenty for large properties. At 26.5 pounds without the battery, it's comfy to wear with a padded harness, and it's quiet at 76 decibels, so you won't annoy the neighbors. Extreme protection technology keeps it safe from dust and water, perfect for outdoor pros. Keeping your lawn sharp is a breeze, with the Makita 40V Max XGT Brushless Cordless Edger. This tool-only edger delivers gas-like power with a 9-inch blade, spinning at up to 6,500 revolutions per minute. You can adjust the cutting depth from 1 1/8 to 2 3/8 inches to get those crisp lawn lines just right. The foldable handle makes storage a cinch, and at 9.7 pounds without a battery, it's easy to maneuver. Extreme protection technology shields it from dust and water, and the electric brake adds a safety boost. Whether you're a pro landscaper or a homeowner obsessed with a tidy yard, this edger's got your back. Woodworkers, get excited for the Makita 40V Max 1/2-inch router. This cordless router is a dream for trimming, grooving, or shaping wood, with a variable speed dial cranking from 10,000 to 31,000 revolutions per minute. The brushless motor means longer runtime and less maintenance, while the soft start feature keeps things smooth, no jolts. Twin LED lights light up your workpiece, and the aluminum housing and base are built to last. With a plunge capacity of 0 to 2 3/8 inches and compatibility with 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch shanks, it's super versatile for cabinetry or furniture projects. This router's ready to make your woodwork pop. For clean job sites, the Makita 40V Max XGT Cordless Vacuum Sweeper is a total lifesaver. This push-along sweeper tackles sawdust, gravel, or small debris with a 25 1/2 inch cleaning width and a 0.2-gallon dust bag. The brushless motor gives you up to 60 minutes of runtime with a 4.0 amp-hour battery, perfect for quick cleanups in workshops or construction sites. At 8.8 pounds without a battery, it's light and easy to push, and the adjustable handle keeps you comfy. Demolition crews, meet the Makita 40V Max XGT Cordless Breaker. This cordless monster delivers 15 joules of impact energy and up to 2,600 blows per minute, rivaling corded breakers for smashing concrete or asphalt. Anti-vibration technology keeps your arms from feeling like jelly, and the soft start feature makes it easier to control. With extreme protection technology and a 12-position chisel adjustment, it's built for tough jobs and versatility. At 17.4 pounds without a battery, it's manageable yet powerful, perfect for heavy-duty demo work. Wrapping it up, the Makita 40V Max XGT Brushless 4-speed 3/4 inch square drive impact wrench is a torque titan for heavy fastening. It dishes out 1,400 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and 1,150 foot-pounds of fastening torque, with 4-speed settings up to 1,800 revolutions per minute. The friction ring anvil makes socket swaps quick, and the brushless motor with extreme protection technology ensures it lasts. At 7.7 pounds with a 2.5 amp-hour battery, it's compact yet fierce, ideal for mechanics or steel workers tackling big bolts. If you're looking for a hole puncher that works hard without slowing you down, this one's got you covered. Say hello to the Makita GPP01 Metal Hole Puncher. This tool is up to 25% faster than other models, saving you time on the job. Plus, it's designed for convenience. The grip handle rotates 360 degrees so you can position it however you need, even in tight spaces. The punch stop mechanism is another great feature because it automatically pulls back the die after each punch, letting you keep working without interruptions. Need precision? No problem. The adjustable depth guide lets you set punch locations up to 1 37/64 inches from the edge of your workpiece. It handles general steel up to 3/8 of an inch thick and stainless steel up to 8/32 of an inch. So you get power, speed, and accuracy all in one tool. Makita XGT sanders are designed to take professional sanding to the next level, combining power, precision, and ease of use. What makes these sanders truly stand out is the 1.6-meter umbilical battery adapter, which reduces the tool's body weight for improved balance and reduced user fatigue during long hours of work. For even greater flexibility, there's an optional 5-meter cord accessory, allowing you to move freely across large workspaces. These sanders are built for accuracy, featuring constant speed control to maintain consistent performance even under load, along with an adjustable speed dial to fine-tune the tool for different materials and finishes. Meanwhile, the Auto Start wireless system is a blessing for professionals that enables the sander to connect wirelessly to compatible dust extractors, ensuring a cleaner and safer workspace without the hassle of additional cords. Whether you're working on detailed fine finishes or large-scale sanding jobs, the Makita XGT Sanders deliver the precision and performance that professionals demand. Their robust design, advanced features, and focus on efficiency make them a top choice for those who take their craft seriously. That's our rundown of the slickest new Makita tools for 2025. Got a favorite? Drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell to catch more tool reviews. See you on the next job.